Hi everybody. So guess what? Since I did my first review when I had unboxed the Black & Decker Air Crisp and Fry, I wanted you to know that the toast came out really good. So I decided to go one step up further. I made ribs. These are delicious, juicy barbecue ribs. I didn't do it in my oven. It's too hot on the East Coast. I did it here in the Black & Decker, which is right behind me, conveniently located right here. And we love this thing. The ribs came out extremely tender. They weren't melted down. They weren't disgusting. They weren't hard. They weren't rubbery. They were perfect. Look at this. This is meat off the bone. Delicious. It's delicious. Everything about this is super tender. Everything. This is a whole tray of ribs. Okay? Try it. If you don't like it, return it. But I assure you, you're never going to want to return this because you know why? Because that little Black & Decker toaster oven right here is the bomb. It's worth the money. Buy it. You'll use it. You'll never forget it. And you'll thank me later. Enjoy. Bon appetit.
So my husband just opened this box, and it's a box of empty styrofoam.
Broken styrofoam.
There's absolutely nothing in it. I'm making the assumption that that was your oven that you ordered that we have not seen yet, but there's literally nothing but the broken styrofoam in the box.
Yeah, that looks like that'd be the oven. Looks like it'd fit in.
Yeah. So, just wanted to let you know.
Best item I ever bought. I barely use my oven. I do everything with this. Less cook time, healthier.